Introducing the 2024 Cupra Formentor E Hybrid 2, a sleek and stylish vehicle that combines the best of both petrol and electric power. With a 1.4-litre engine, automatic transmission, and a stunning grey exterior, this estate-type Jeep is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Packed with comfort and convenience features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and ambient lighting, you'll enjoy every moment behind the wheel. Plus, with safety features like ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us today or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive home in the 2024 Cupra Formentor E Hybrid 2 and experience the future of driving.